So hi guys, welcome back to Smart Hobbies YouTube channel. So in this video I will be telling you all how to care for finches birds. Guys, caring for finches is quite easy. You all don't need to put so much of hard work in caring for finches. So let me tell you all the instructions one by one as to how to care for finches. So now let me start with the first point. Guys, the first point is to change your water every single day. Guys, please every morning change the water, because if you keep old water and when the finches drink it, they might get sick and they might die as well. Then you can't do anything about it. So please change the water every single day. And finches also take bath in this container, which you don't notice. It takes bath very early in the morning, and if you don't change the water and keep the water dirty, and when the finches take bath, they might get some disease and they might die because of that. So please change the water every single day. So that's the first very important point. Now the second important point is, guys, buy a cage such that they give a tray like this. So if you get a tray like this, what I can do is I can put some newspaper here, and it will be easy for you all to clean the cage. What I'll have to do is just remove the newspaper and replace it with another newspaper. So when you put a newspaper like this, the bird's excretion will be on this newspaper. I can throw that newspaper and put a new newspaper and just put it back like this. It will be easy for you all to clean. And guys, please change the newspaper every 2 to 3 days. Do not keep the newspaper for very long, as the finches might get some disease. So if you find your newspaper is too dirty, like because of the excretion, then remove the newspaper as soon as possible, because the finches might get a disease. So the second important point is clean your tray, like changing the newspaper every 2 to 3 days, and buy a cage such that you get a tray like this. This is the second most important point. Now the third important point is about the food. Guys, if you raise any birds, you all will know that when you keep some seeds like this, it will only eat the seed. It will remove the outer layer and then eat the seed. So every morning you have to remove the outer layer. The outer layer will be on the top. You'll have to blow it and remove the outer layer. I'll show you how to do that in my coming videos, so don't worry about that. So these three important points is enough if you want to care about your finches properly. Change your water every day, keep your tray clean, and blow out that top layer of the food, and make sure they have sufficient food every single day. So this is about finches care. And one more important point, the cage for the finches, it should be like this. This I think is some 1.5 to 2 feet, I'm not sure. This is perfect for one pair of finches. Guys, don't keep too many finches in small cage because it's very cruel. Make sure the finches have lot of space to move around. This cage is perfect for one pair of finches. So I think it's 1.5 to 2 feet. It's perfect for this one pair of finches. If I want 2 pair of finches, buy a bigger cage. The finches should move around freely, because if you keep too many birds in one small cage, it's very cruel, guys. Please don't do that. So this is about the cage. Now let me tell you about finches breeding. Guys, finches breeding is very simple. All you need to do is follow the first 3 to 4 points that I told you all, and provide them food which is high in calcium. Now you can tell me what food that is high in calcium. Let me show you. So this is called which is also called Calci-Care. They'll give you in whichever shop you're buying your birds. So don't worry about that. I'll get it in Amazon as well. It's written here, all egg laying birds needs calcium carbonate and other trace minerals. So the instruction is given here. You can see this and understand that how important calcium is if you want your finches to breed or any birds to breed. So please provide them food with calcium like this. And you'll need to keep a pot like this. This is a mud pot. So I've tied it with a string over here. So you can see it's going here and there because it's nesting. it has already laid one egg. Let me show you. Just today or yesterday, I'm not sure, I think it's today only. You can see the egg. Guys, finches will incubate the eggs only if they are matured enough. Now I don't know if my finches are matured because it's not incubating the egg. Maybe it will incubate only after laying some more eggs. I'm not sure about that. But remember, it will incubate the eggs only if it is matured enough. Well, you should even add some coriander leaves or mint leaves, so that that's also very good, and that's also very good for breeding birds. So please add that as well. Just one string, one leaf can I don't know how to explain you all. Just little bit of coriander leaves and little bit of mint leaves should be enough, and one calci-care bone, cuttlefish bone, to breed your finches. So I've been following this step and my finches have laid an egg as well. It will lay egg every day. It will lay one egg every day. Don't expect your finches to lay so many eggs in just one day. That's impossible. So this was the total care about finches. If you'll have any doubts, you can let me know in the comments below. I'll clarify it. I hope that you could understand what I'm speaking. You can hear my lovebirds screaming as well. Its voice is like screaming only actually. I will tell you the care about lovebirds in the next video. You would have heard some bird shouting from the time I started my video, that is his lovebirds. And that's it guys. Yeah, and one more thing is finches are very active. It keeps moving very fast. It goes here, there, you can see. It's a very active bird and it's very peaceful, and your mind gets relaxed when you see that. It's so beautiful when it flies here and there. And one more important point which I forgot to mention is never keep your finches outdoors, because it might die because of the cold wind or very hot wind. So do not keep your finches outdoors. Keep it indoors where there is proper air circulation. That's better for your finches. So I've given you a full guide, a full instruction as how to care for your finches. So please like this video if you love to raise finches. If you found this video informative, then also give a thumbs up to this video. And guys, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and set the notifications to all, so that you'll get notified every time I post a video. So guys, I'll meet you in another video. Till then, goodbye and take care.